What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money by testing websites and apps. You can actually earn everything from $5 up to $90 per test, and you get paid via PayPal. So all you have to do is stay with me, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Okay, so you can see here there is tons of these kind of opportunities and they're all good, but my number one recommendation is in the link below in the description for how to build a real online business and how to make money online. So make sure to click that when we're finished here. But today and now let's have a look at how we can make money by testing websites and apps. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the site that we're going to is userlytics.com, and this is actually how it looks when we arrive there. This is basically for those that wants to hire this company for doing some tests. You can see that they have big clients like Microsoft, Google, Philips, L'Oreal, so they do have some really big clients here. And we are actually interested in sign up as a tester. So if I open this in a new tab, this is how it looks. So it says that you get paid to test website and apps. All you have to do is register and you earn money. And you get paid via PayPal, and you can see here 5, 10, 15, 20 and up to $90. So they are actually telling you to do something. They're going to give you extra instructions, and they tell you to have a look at this. Did you find it easy to use? And so on. I will show you actually, because I found something that they have some real examples on this site here. So you sign up. This was really cool. I just saw it now. You can actually sign up even when you're 16 years or older here. Usually they are at 18 and above, but this looks like you can sign up from 16 and above, so that is cool. And you get paid on a part-time basis, as it says here, on how to check out the usability of apps or a website. You test it from your home or your own time, whenever you're free. And yeah, it is almost worldwide also, which is really cool. The requirements is, of course, you need a webcam, Windows or Mac, depends on what kind of a computer you have, what iOS you're working with, and a microphone, of course. And let's see, here are the FAQ as a tester. So you do need to follow the usability test instructions as provided by our clients. It is important that you speak your thoughts out loud, okay, as I said. So we're going to have a look actually at an example here. You'll be testing websites, prototypes, advertisements, videos, and other types of material here. You can see here, you pretend you're looking for a pair of jeans, you search for jeans, and you look through the results, and you proceed to check out. So that is how more or less you're testing a website. The site navigation, the overall concept, how easy it is to use it, the design, video, colors, etc. And I found out that they have real examples here. So you can see this was a real desktop example. Let's have a quick look at it.
It's kind of all cluttered together. It's hard to... It's not zooming in. There's a 59. Yeah, I wish... I don't think I've got a sort though.
Okay, so I'm gonna stop the video here, but he actually he talks loud here what he thinks about the website he's testing. They tell him to, where is this button, or example, could you find it, etc. So that is how it works actually. This was also a mobile example, so let's go a little bit forward.
And 65. I have to get to 675. What? Okay, really? All right. So my goodness, I've just got to scroll all the way to the bottom and then go.
Okay, so this lady is testing actually a mobile app here, and she is telling her thoughts about the app here, how it works, etc. So that is pretty much how it works actually with Userlytics. Okay, so you can have a look at the FAQ at your own pace actually, which I always recommend. Now, I always also recommend that you should sign up for a few of these kind of sites. So I'm going to give you one more here. We have the usertesting.com. This is how it looks, usertesting.com. And you can see here you get $10, get paid $10 via PayPal every 20-minute video you complete. This works in very similar like Userlytics, okay? So sign up for this site also. Let me see, there was one more that came up into my mind here. There you have it. Userfill.com, which is also a pretty similar site. So userfill.com. Here you become a tester, and you can see here you can earn $10 per test. So do sign up for 2-3 of those, because so you can have from more than just one source. You can make some money. All right, that's it about how to make money by testing websites and apps. Now, if you like this video, I do appreciate if you hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos like this on a consistent basis. Hit that notification bell, of course, to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Most importantly, you'll find a link below in the description for my #1 recommendation on how to make money online. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.